In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily view spam comments in WordPress. Whether you're managing a personal blog or a business website, keeping your comment section clean is crucial for maintaining a professional and engaging space for your audience. Spam comments can clutter your site and sometimes even overshadow real, meaningful conversations. Thankfully, WordPress provides tools to help you review and manage these comments efficiently. In this step-by-step guide, I'll walk you through the process of accessing and reviewing spam comments in WordPress, so you can ensure your site remains clean and user-friendly. Now, if you're new to WordPress or you haven't set up an account yet, you can use the link in the description below to get started. First, open your web browser and head over to the WordPress website. Once you're on the home page, look toward the top right corner of the screen. There, you'll find the login option. Go ahead and click on it. This will take you directly to the WordPress login page. On the login screen, you'll see a few different ways to sign in, but for this tutorial, we're going to use the Continue with Google option. This method allows you to log in quickly and securely with your Google account credentials, saving you time and effort. Click on that option, and you'll be prompted to select the Google account you want to use. Simply choose the account you'd like to log in with, and once successfully authenticated, you'll be redirected to your WordPress dashboard. Now that you're in your WordPress dashboard, it's time to locate the section where all your site comments are managed. Look through your dashboard menu and find the section labeled Comments. Once you see it, click on it to proceed. This area is where WordPress organizes all the comments on your site, including those flagged as spam. Inside the Comments section, you'll notice a few different tabs or filters that help you navigate through your comments. What we're looking for is the Spam tab. This is where WordPress automatically places any comments it identifies as spam. Click on the Spam tab to view these flagged comments. Once you're in the Spam section, you'll see a list of all the comments that have been automatically categorized as spam. Each comment includes details such as the time and date it was posted, which can be helpful when reviewing them. Take a moment to go through the list carefully. Occasionally, a legitimate comment might get flagged as spam by mistake. This is your opportunity to identify and recover any valid comments that may have been incorrectly marked. From here, you'll need to decide on the appropriate action for each spam comment. If a comment is clearly irrelevant or harmful, you can leave it in the spam folder, and WordPress will eventually delete it automatically. However, if you spot a legitimate comment that's been mistakenly flagged, you can restore it to your main comment section by marking it as not spam. This ensures it's visible to your audience and maintains the integrity of your site's community. And there you have it. By following these steps, you now know exactly how to review and manage spam comments on your WordPress site. This simple process not only keeps your site clean and professional, but also helps you maintain a positive and engaging environment for your audience. If you have any questions or additional topics you'd like me to cover, feel free to drop a comment below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.